This headset saves your ears and your job. 3M PELTOR LiteCom Plus Review. Ever felt stuck shouting over roaring machines, only to be ignored because no one could hear you? The frustration of missed cues, wasted minutes, and constant background noise is exhausting. It's not just about work delays. It's about mental fatigue, wasted energy, and feeling like you're trapped in chaos every single day without reliable communication tools that actually protect your ears. Now imagine those frustrations piling up. Deadlines creeping closer, stress skyrocketing, your team missing critical signals because noise drowned out every word. The pressure is crushing. Missed opportunities, rising risks, and that silent burnout looming over your head. Without the right solution, you're not just risking productivity. You're risking safety, focus, and the very confidence that keeps you performing at your best. Enter the 3M PELTOR LiteCom Plus headset, your ultimate lifeline in chaotic, noisy environments. This isn't just hearing protection. It's a hands-free, protective communication system with a built-in two-way analog radio and 22 pre-programmed FRS channels, giving you instant team connection without bulky devices. Its IP68 rated noise-canceling microphone kicks in within milliseconds. Whether you press to talk or let VOX handle it, your words cut through like a knife in the storm. Add an environmental listening technology, which lets you hear warnings and voices when the noise dips, but shields you the moment it spikes. Imagine this. During a welding job, when machines roared, a worker calmly gave instructions, clear as day, without lifting a finger. That moment wasn't just convenience. It was productivity and safety colliding perfectly. With rugged durability, a rechargeable 20-hour battery, and seamless hard hat integration, it's designed for the exact environments where ordinary headsets fail. Suddenly, noisy chaos becomes sharp, efficient teamwork. That's not just protection, it's transformation. The benefits go beyond quieting the noise. With streamlined workflows, laser-sharp focus, and unmatched team coordination, the LiteCom Plus unlocks next-level performance. Experts rave. The VOX and PTT response is near-instant, ideal for demanding environments. Analysts call the environmental listening tech a game-changer that balances protection with awareness. Real crews love it. Crystal-clear communication even in mining sites. Comfortable all day. A heavy industry user swore by it. Despite welding noise, I can talk and my team hears me perfectly. Even reviewers highlight the 2-mile range as a standout for large-scale operations. Imagine walking into a construction site where every word lands, every warning is heard, and every deadline is met, because your headset did the heavy lifting. This isn't hype. It's a proven upgrade trusted in oil fields, crane ops, maintenance yards, and more. Workers call it seamless, rugged, and life-saving in stressful jobs. The question is, why settle for muffled words, missed cues, and risky distractions when you could experience the headset that professionals won't work without? Thousands already have. Will you? Time's ticking, and stock is limited. Don't wait until another deadline breaks you. Join the thousands who've already taken control with the 3M PELTOR LiteCom Plus, the headset that protects, connects, and performs under fire. Act now. Secure yours today, because when chaos strikes, only the right gear stands between disaster and domination. Don't miss your shot. Your ears, your focus, and your future deserve this.